This is the highest speed. Off. 1, 2. I'm gonna make it go left and right. That's the silent mode. Now I'm going to make it go up and down also. So it goes up and down and left and right. Let me put on the 1 speed, which I think is probably the most common. Now if I want to stop the up and down at a certain point, which is advantageous, let's see, I'll turn it off. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Say for instance I want to stop right there. I can stop it right there. If I want to come down more, it'll just go side to side. Okay, so I got the height adjusted that way. Anyway, let me know if this review is helpful or not. Have a good one. This is Lou the Jew with another Amazon review. Peace out.